Well, the end of another year draws closer. What have you got to show for it? What have you done? All those big goals you set for yourself, the New Year resolutions that you set last year, what have you achieved? Another year of the same? Another year of broken promises that you've made to yourself? Is that good enough? Are you worth more than that? Did you cross out some more dates on your calendar? Maybe you set yourself some New Year resolutions or some goals. Did you write anything down for your New Year's resolutions? Did you promise yourself that you would do all the things that you've been putting off for all these years? Did you say you'd finally get round to making the changes you want to make and making the moves you want to make and increasing your learning and your knowledge, or maybe even starting your own business? I'm Peter Freeth, and if you've been trying to get through life by setting goals and maybe coming up to the end of every year setting yourself New Year resolutions and making yourself promises for the things that you're going to do different every year, then I'm sorry to tell you that you have been completely wasting your time. The whole premise of goal setting is fundamentally flawed, and there's an entire self-help industry built on that. The fundamental flaw is that getting you to set goals has nothing to do with the future. Absolutely nothing to do with what you want to achieve a week or a month or a year or 10 years from now. Setting goals, actually the language of setting goals, gets you to look backwards at what's missing in your life. And the only way that you know that something's missing in your life is by comparing yourself to other people, and advertising and marketing and other people's LinkedIn and Facebook and Instagram profiles, which of course always reflect reality perfectly. So if the whole idea, the whole concept of goal setting is fundamentally flawed and fundamentally designed to make you fail and fundamentally designed to make you dependent on the self-help industry, to buy another book, to go on another course, to sign up for another webinar, then what do you do instead? How do you achieve the things that you want to achieve in your life? Well, one answer, very simple answer, is that you come along to my 2020 Vision Day on 11th of January. We won't be doing goal setting, but what we will be doing is setting direction and giving you the means and the methods to navigate through the future based on what has gotten you here today. Because when you think back over the course of your life and all the challenges you've faced and all the trials that you've been through and all of the problems that you've solved and all of the obstacles that you've overcome, there's something in that. There's some source of energy that you've drawn on. There's something that's motivated you, that's kept you going. There's something that's kept a focus in your mind. That is what will take you forward, not goal setting, not New Year's resolutions. So take the pressure off yourself. No more New Year's resolutions, no more goal setting. It's a waste of time. Instead, come along 11th of January to my 2020 Vision Day and find out what really the future holds for you.